So the simplest method of project acceleration is by analysing the critical and subcritical paths and figuring out how we can do it faster. Analysing is something that a computer can do. Figuring out how to do it faster is something that requires human input. To find this, what we do is we go to Schedule and Paths. And this is the milestone that we've analysed together previously, M4048, though it could be anything like the end date of the project. The most critical path of this has 4 days of free float. The second has 5 days of free float. What we would look to do under these circumstances is look to see, well, can we actually push that free float back? So we can see here that this is the final milestone. There's an activity straight behind it. And then this is a finished start here, but this is a finished start as well. We'd look to see if we can compress this gap. Whether or not we can compress this gap, I don't know. I don't know this project. This is for the individuals on the project to advise if this is possible. If we compress this by over a day, this will become the most critical path. And this is much more complex, where we'd need to start at the end and go through how we're going to pull this entire path back here, up this, and maybe it would require some replanning. So we actually break out the interconnections, or it would require that we work double shifts so that we increase the working time in the calendar. So we've got weekends, etc. There are many techniques that we could use, but fundamentally we go one path at a time and look how we can compress those. And that requires a conversation in most parts with the project team.